Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. I, Parvi Gupta of class 6th A, going to present my placard on Save Nature, and I have chosen the topic pollution. Pollution. Pollution has affected nature very badly in many ways. Air pollution is responsible for the melting of glaciers, which is disturbing the balance of nature. The excessive the excessive use of plastic products and polythene bags are one of the main reasons for increasing pollution, and this is plastic pollution. The increase in air pollution increases temperature across the globe. We can follow reuse, reduce, and recycle scheme to control the pollution affects the earth's land, air, and water by releasing pollutants in air, water, and land. Pollution ends up in these forms, including dust, smoke, and toxic gas emissions. In addition to the natural sources of pollutions, they can also come from human activity. We are all responsible for global warming. We habitually use things that pollute the environment without knowing it, and we need to avoid them at all cost. For example, using aerosol deodorants, bottled water, plastic water bottles take 500 years to break down, and they release microparticles which are dangerous to health. Throwing chewing gum on the ground, washing with the tap running, eating foods with palm oil, throwing disposable wipes down the toilet, releasing helium balloon into air, throwing batteries, throwing away plastics. And don't let our future go up in smoke. Thank you and have a nice day.
Garbages are everywhere, looks like everyone doesn't care about our Mother Earth who is crying with fear that she might eternally disappear. Storms, hurricanes, and so much more, and we really can't take it anymore. For the end is coming and we don't know where we are really going. We all must cooperate before it's going to be late in saving our beloved planet while we can still panic. So let us empower our minds to go beyond the lines and seeking for ways to preserve our land for the future of the world is in our hands. So let us all hold hands and make this world a better place to live. Thank you and have a nice day.
First of all, we're all aware that this is nature. Let me tell you about it. Nature is what we see around us, the interaction between the physical and the life within, like animals, birds, trees, plants, and humans. Nature provides us many things like air to breathe, water to drink, soil to make home to live in, fruits, vegetables, and grains to eat, and etc. Although nature is always helpful to us, we should prevent our nature because if nature goes extinct, we all will. None of us will be able to survive today if there was no nature. But let's not lose the hope and look for positive solutions so we'll be able to save our beloved nature.